Good morning everyone. This is Shivani here. Welcome back to the maths class. I hope you all are fine. Student, in last class we have completed exercise 3D. Today we are going to start exercise 3E. Student, I have written 3 points here. You have to remember these 3 points. Point number 1, minuend minus subtrahend equal to difference. Student, to find a missing difference, we subtract the subtrahend from the minuend. Second point, difference plus subtrahend equal to minuend. To find a missing minuend, we add the difference and subtrahend. Last point, minuend minus difference equal to subtrahend. To find a missing subtrahend, we subtract the difference from the minuend. So these 3 points are very important. When you know these 3 points, you can do exercise 3E very easily. Now listen to question number 1. Fill in the missing digits. Now here we have to find the missing digit in subtraction. Okay. So see question number 1. Now here numbers are given. Now we have to find the missing digits in the subtraction. Student, you already know that this is called minuend and this is called subtrahend and this answer is called difference. You already know these 3 points. Student, now here we have to find this missing digit. You can see here we have to find the subtrahend. Okay, when we find this subtrahend, we subtract the difference from the minuend. Okay, now here we have to find the subtrahend. So we will subtract this 9 from this 5. Okay, so you can see here we can't subtract 9 from 5 because 5 is less than 9. So we will take one borrow from this 3. So this 5 becomes 15 and this 3 becomes 2. Okay student, now 15 minus 9. Yes, very good. 15 minus 9 equal to 6. So write here 6. Understood? Now you can see here 2 minus 6. That is not possible. So we will take one borrow from this 8. So this 2 becomes 12 and this 8 becomes 7. Now 12 minus 6, 6. Now here we have to find this missing digit. Means here we have to find subtrahend. Okay, when we find subtrahend, we subtract the difference from the minuend. Okay, now we will subtract this 8 from the 7. So we can't subtract this 8 from 7 because 7 is less than 8. So we will take one borrow from the 1000 place. Okay, so this 7 becomes 17 and this 8 becomes 7. Okay students, 17 minus 8, 9. So write here 9. Okay, now you can see here this missing digit is subtrahend. Now here we have to find subtrahend. So we will subtract this difference from the minuend. Okay, 7 minus 5, 2. So write here 2. So the missing digits are 2, 9 and 6. I hope question number 1 is clear to everyone. Okay, now let's move on to question number 2. You can see here we have to find this missing digit. Means we have to find this minuend. Okay student, when we find minuend, we will add the difference and the subtrahend. Okay, when we find the minuend, we will add the difference and the subtrahend. So we will add these two digits. Okay, yes student, 4 plus 1, 5. So write here 5. You can check also 5 minus 4, 1. Means our answer is correct. Okay, now you can see here we have to find this missing digit. You can see here this is a difference. Okay student, to find a missing difference, we subtract the subtrahend from the minuend. So we will subtract this 8 from 7. but 7 is less than 8. So here need to take one borrow from the hundreds place. So this 7 becomes, yes, 17, and this 9 becomes 8. Okay, 17 minus 8, yes, 9. So write here 9. Now student, yes, 8 minus 7, 1. We already know that. Okay, see, now here we have to find this missing digit. Here we have to find the missing minuend. When we find the missing minuend, we will add the difference and the subtrahend. So we will add these two digits. Okay, 1 plus 3, yes, 4. So write here 4. You can check also 4 minus 1, 3. It means our answer is correct. So the missing digits are 4, 9 and 5. Understood? Now see one more part. I am explaining third. Now here we have to find, yes, this is minuend. When we find minuend, we will add the difference and the subtrahend. We will add these two numbers when we find the, yes, minuend. Okay student, 3 plus 6, 9. So write here 9. Very good. Again here we have to find, yes, minuend. So we will add the difference and the subtrahend. Okay, so 8 plus 6. Yes student, 8 plus 6. That is equal to 14. Okay, so we will write 4 here, 1 carry over here. Okay, now again here we have to find minuend. So we will add the difference and the subtrahend. But 1 is carry over here. We will add this 1 carry also. Okay student, 9 plus 3, yes, 12, and 12 plus 1, 13. To write here 3, 1 carry over here. Now here we have to find, yes, subtrahend. Okay, to find the subtrahend, we subtract the difference from the minuend. But this one we will add here. You have to keep this point in your mind. Okay, so 6 plus 1, yes, 7. So 9 minus 7. Yes student, 9 minus 7 equal to 2. So write here 2. So the missing digits are 2, 3, 4, 9. Okay. I hope question number 3 is to clear everyone. Now let's move on to question number 4. Now here students we have to find, yes, difference. Okay, when we find difference, we will subtrahend from the minuend. Okay, so 9 minus 4, 5. So write here 5. Okay, here we have to find, yes, subtrahend. Okay, when we find subtrahend, so we subtract the difference from the minuend. Okay, 2 minus 2, 0. Now here we have to find, yes, difference. So we will subtract this 2 from 4. Okay, 4 minus 2, yes, 2. Okay, here we have to find subtrahend. So we will subtract this 0 from 9. Okay, 9 minus 0, yes, 9. So the missing digits are 9, 2, 0, 5. Student, I hope exercise 3 is clear to everyone. Make sure you have to keep these 3 points in your mind. So learn these three key points very carefully. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.